What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Long time no ride, guys. I think last upload ko was 1 month ago. Kasi talaga namang sobrang init dito sa amin, hindi kami nakakapagmotor. So time check, it's 9:35 PM and it's still 98 degrees. Tonight, akit tayo ng bundok. Palamig lang tayo. Usually gantong oras nasa 100 plus pa eh. Pero today, umulan kanina dito. Which is kailangan talaga namin. Napakainit. Kaya ngayon medyo malamig-lamig pa ng konti. So ngayon, imimit natin si Mike Bomac and si Mr. George. Sila ang kasama natin na akit ng Mount Charleston ngayon. Papalamig lang tayo ng konti. And yun nga, pasensya na kayo, talagang walang upload. Pero ngayon, naka Big Bike Gaming tayo. Kasi may kasama tayong OBR. Kasama natin si Mrs. Omar TV. At I think kasama rin ni Mike Bomac si kanyang Mrs. So Big Bike Gaming tayo today. Okay lang yan, importante makapag-upload. Ang init, init pa rin. Pero sa bundok, chinek ko mga 70 degrees eh. So you know, it's 25 degrees cooler. Hopefully ay nako, ang galing. Kita-kits tayo dun sa Shell na usual spot namin na pinagmimit. Tapos balita ko kayo maya-maya nung konti. Alright, kamusta kayo guys? Na-miss ko kayo ah. Alright, kita-kits tayo maya. Let's go.
Searching for group.
Searching for group. Sup, Mr. George?
Searching for group.
George with his going. Mike Bomac sa multistradong bagong linis.
Searching for group.
Bagong hugas yan guys.
Grouping succeeded. 3 group members connected.
Yo, who's here?
Hey, are you there? Can you hear us?
I can hear
She's
you.
here.
Love, you here? George, you here?
Bonjour!
Yes, yes, I can hear a bunch of you.
Okay, tara, let's go.
Okay, I only have 50% too. Okay, go ahead. I'll be the middle. Take the lead, Mac. Go, take behind.
Okay, we go.
Hey, I'm excited to feel 80 degrees.
It's 70 out there. I checked it.
Oh, it's 70?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like California.
So 69.70.
Ooh.
Right now it's 102.
It says 104 on mine.
Hey, sir, white lights all the way up.
Huh?
Your lights is all the way up. The white ones.
Mine? No. Like this? You want that?
Bitch. I hope the park is open.
Last time we were there, before 6 we left, it was already closing.
Close the gate, yeah. Damn, I'm sweating, man.
98 on my gauge.
And it's 10 PM. Let there be light. Yeah, baby.
Right, Sagarding.
What's up, Georgie?
Much.
Not much. My last upload was 1 month ago.
1 month for you, mine is 12 days.
1 month ago.
Oh my god.
Is there a cop?
Where?
In front of us.
So, no passing zone, di pass. There you go.
89 degrees. George, you got gas?
I have gas for 257 miles.
You sure?
Yep. I did very specific need. It's like you don't ask.
Pasalubong ba?
Layo pa.
Clear?
Malamig.
Pwede na.
Okay, clear.
Ah,
Clear, 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 clear.
Get back there, bro.
78.
My bike's hot. I'm still saying 82.
Watch out, there's a donkey on the right. Mike, may donkey ah. Hindi mo mga nakatawid na ah.
Alep.
May donkey dyan sa kanan ah. Donkey.
Nasaan na?
Nandun sa kanan mo. Tama?
Let's see. Kawan ko kita.
Nakatawid naman na nung kami.
Wala?
Nakatawid na nung dumaan kami.
George, there's a donkey somewhere.
I'll take it with me. I got him in the back.
Nakakamiss magmotor. Sarap na. 73 baby. Let's go. That's good. Hindi na tayo marinig guys. Kita pa yung ilaw eh. Good pa.
Ah, this is
71.
nice.
ano na?
71 degrees.
Yes sir.
That's 30 degrees drop, bro.
There's lights. Hopefully it's open. Ah, it's closed.
Close it.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going up to the... It should be 69 degrees on you now, no?
69 it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's deep.
Ah. Oh yeah, it's deep.
We'll just park over here.
Find the light. Or the stairs.
Alright, we here. Okay love, go down. Alright, so we'll tambay here first. May mga OBR natin. So this is a hotel, a lodge. May cafe dito kaya lang sarado na eh.
Oh yeah, sarado na yan.
Ayun no. Sarap sana magkape.
Ito po yung
Or-
nasunog.
No,
Hindi.
sa taas.
Yung sa restaurant sa taas.
Pero nasunog din to before, di ba, no?
Hey, must be nice to have a reverse watch. Must be nice to have a reverse. Super easy.
Sarap. At least, 32 degrees difference.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Okay, tatambay muna kami.
Let's go.
See you guys in a bit. Let's go.
Good. Alright, we going home. Time check, it's 11:05 and it's 77 degrees.
Ano yan?
Si Jess hindi nakakonect. That's good?
May botas.
Sarap dito. 30 degrees difference. Oh my god. Only 30 minutes ride. Oh, wala sila Bomac, di nagkunik ata. Iingatan lang dito yung mga donkeys and deers. George, are you here, George?
I'm cold.
I'm cold. Nandito banda yun. The donkeys are around this area earlier. Oh, donkey. Eee, donkey on the right. Donkey on the right. Donkeys on the right. George, you saw that?
Yep, that's why she let you go first.
The Jeep's still here. They're broken down or something?
Not moving.
I know.
It's not rocking back and forth, so it's not bad. I feel a change in the temperature.
Already, yeah, it's 77. Oh, there's a rabbit. Ooh! Got it?
Tiny.
You good?
Nakatulog ako.
Huh?
Nakatulog ako.
There's a rabbit that trying to cross. Oh, kapit. It's clear after that car. Don't fall asleep. my wife is falling asleep, eh. It's not even a Goldwing, George.
Come on.
Imagine we're riding the Goldwing.
Yep.
Kamis. We're back to the hot weather. It's 89 degrees. Kanina dun 69. 20 degrees difference. George, can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Mike Womack. OBR. Bagong linis yung Ducati niya. Freshly washed. Freshly washed bike. Come on, Georgie. Say hi. Bye. Hi. Goldwing, baby. I'm gonna exit on 215. Later, Georgie. Nakakamiss magmotor, guys. Ngayon lang ulit nakapagmotor after siguro mga 3 weeks siguro. 3 weeks ba yun? Nung kinidnap ako nila Mike Womack sa bahay. Actually nakapag-video ako nun. Hindi ko pa lang siya nagagalaw. And baka ma-upload ko ba ito ng una. Hindi talaga ako nakakapag-edit eh. Na-busy rin kasi. Pag sobrang init sa trabaho, pag uwi, wala na, laglag na. So pasensya na kayo. Ngayon lang ulit tayo makakapag-upload. Isang buwan? Ang tagal. Pero may mga bago tayo subscribers, ha? Welcome guys sa ating channel. Maraming salamat sa pagsusubscribe nyo. Hindi rin ako nakakapanood ng vlog ng mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Pilipinas eh. Kaya DJ DLS, kaya Mr. Soprano, kaya Casual Riding. Hindi rin ako nakakapanood masyado. Kaya ako mag binge watch siguro sa weekend or sa day off. Nagbakasyon din kasi kami sa ibang lugar. Kaya medyo nag-busy. Imbis na manood ng YouTube, nagtulog.
Sa Netflix.
Ano? Na Netflix kami. Ano ba yung pinapanood natin? Ano yun? Queen of Tears ba yun? Medyo nakaka 10 episode na ata kami. Kaya panay lang pinapanood. Pero at least nakapag-ride tayo ngayon kahit saglit lang. Ngayon yung weather dito 93 na oh. Sabi nyo 30 minutes ride lang, ganun kalaki yung difference. So hopefully next week ulitin na to, maulit to or pag full moon na. Kasi ngayon almost full moon pa lang eh. Sana mas marami na kami sa susunod ulit. Pero alright, I'll just end the vlog here guys. Again, maraming salamat at pasensya na po hindi tayo nakakapag-upload kasi talagang mainit. Alright, until the next one guys, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.